Wondering if there's anything a learning management system can't do? For anything your LMS can't do on its own, you can integrate with other platforms to make it happen. If you're looking to market online, you can integrate your LMS with affiliate programs. Planning on selling your courses? In order to set up shopping carts and online payment systems, you may need to integrate with third-party platforms. You can also set up automated workflows by connecting your LMS with a customer relationship management or CRM system, allowing you to send data to other platforms. Many LMS platforms offer integrations, plugins, or applications that are pre-configured, so there's no need for custom programming. Want more information on LMS platform integration? Click the link below for the How to Create an Online Course Masterclass and learn more today.